In this video, we'll demonstrate how to set up your Starlink kit. Your kit includes everything you need to connect to the internet. To optimize your internet connection, your Starlink requires a clear view of the sky free from obstructions. Here's an example of a bad location. These trees are hiding the Starlink's field of view. To get started, download the Starlink app to determine the best location. You can do this by checking for obstructions using the app's built-in tool. Once you've discovered the optimal location for your Starlink, connect the correct end of the Starlink cable into the mast. Once connected, position the Starlink in the base. To power up the Starlink in the router, connect the power cable into the larger rectangular port and the Starlink cable into the smaller circular port. Starlink, when connected to power, will initially articulate upwards into sky search mode. This means that the Starlink is searching the sky for a connection and may take up to 15 minutes. When Starlink finds a connection, you'll see it tilt into its final position. After setting up your network, you can use the app to check the status of your connection, view statistics, and visit support.